Alright guys, here we are again. Got a new shotgun mount off of Amazon.com. It's going to be the Weltool QM8. Let's unbox this thing here. Comes in a plain Jane box. With some cellophane wrapping here. Has a little quick release lever here. Making it easy to install. Also has a couple extra rails on the side here so you can put some laser pointers or a scope. So now I'm going to install my Convoy C8 triple LED. I'm going to unscrew this here. Keep loosening it up. There it is. Nice and easy. Seems like a pretty good quality gun mount here. It's nice and sturdy. I'm going to take it all in the woods here next week or two and I'll upload a video here. Show you how well it holds up.